Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to change your voice pitch in CapCut app. Watch this video until the end, pay attention to the little arrow to follow the steps. Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you
how to change aspect ratio in CapCut PC. Watch this video until the end.
Pay attention to this little arrow to follow the steps. Hello everyone, in this video I will share with you how to change aspect ratio in CapCut PC.
Hello everyone, in this video.
Okay guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.